we know that that plane divided into 4 parts by using 2 lines. Okay, we know that lines are called x-axis, that line is x dash, that is x-axis, and y dash, that is y-axis. That plane is divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 parts, and each equal parts are known as quadrant. Okay, each equal parts are called quadrant. That is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is third, and everyone, I am telling you, all of you must attend the revision class, because it is very much important from the point of view of your exam. Must attend the revision class. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. These are the 4 quadrants, and that point where 2 lines are intersecting to each other, it's called origin. It's called origin. And coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. From that point O, this one is positive x-axis, O to x, that is negative x-axis, 1 positive y-axis, and from 2 downward, that is negative y-axis. Okay, so that is origin. Origin to this side, right hand side, that is positive x-axis, left hand side negative x-axis, upward that is positive y-axis, downwards negative y-axis. Got it? Now, what is abscissa and ordinate? And coordinate of any point in 2-dimensional plane, that is xy. Okay, that is xy. X is called abscissa and y is called ordinate. I hope you are familiar with these 2 terms, abscissa and ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate and x coordinate means abscissa. Got it, everyone? Now tell me, 2, 4 is a point. What is abscissa? What is abscissa? Tell me quickly. Between 2 and 4, which one is abscissa? Yes. And next one is that 4 is ordinate. Okay. So I hope it is clear the concept of abscissa and ordinate. Now one question, one MCQ. One MCQ. Solve within 1 minute. Solve within 1 minute. X plus 1 comma y plus 1 by 3 f 5 plus 2 5 comma 2, then find the value of x plus y. Option A, (10), option B 8, option C 6, option D 7. Which option is right option? Tell me quickly. Which one is the correct option? If x plus 1 comma y plus 1 by 3 equal to 5 comma 2, then find the value of x plus y. Then find the value of x plus y. Quickly, within 1 minute you have to solve. Each question what I will discuss in this class. Okay, this change this option, that is 9. Okay, change this option. Option A 10, option B 8, option C 9, and option D 10. Sorry, 7. Which option? You have to answer options only and with answer. Quickly. Option C, okay, that is 9. Okay, that type of question maybe come in your exam. Okay, so coordinate and abscissa, the concept is clear. Now, equation. Now students, some important points. Some important we have to discuss. Any point on x-axis, what will be the coordinate of that point? What will be the coordinate of that point? Tell me quickly. Any point on x-axis, what will be the coordinate of that point? It must be a comma 0. Y, any point on x-axis, that y coordinate should be 0. That's why a comma 0 means any number, and 0, that is for as it is lies on x-axis, then it is 0. Okay. Now any point on y-axis, that is 0 comma b. Okay, any point on y-axis, that is 0 comma b. Next, what is the equation of x-axis? Tell me quickly. Equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis. Tell me quickly. What is the equation of x-axis and y-axis in the chat box? Quickly answer it quickly. Answer it quickly in the chat box. What is the equation of x-axis and what is the equation of y-axis? Okay, one student, Rajanna Amrita have sent his, her answer. Shraddha have sent her answer. Orpit. Equation of y-axis. Students, equation of x-axis is very easy, just opposite, y equal to 0. Equation of x-axis, that is y equal to 0, and equation of y-axis, that is x equal to 0. Okay, equation of x-axis, that y equal to 0, equation x-axis is y equal to 0, equation of y-axis, that is x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Okay, just x, then y, then x. Now what is the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis? What is the equation of line, straight line, which is parallel to x-axis? Tell me quickly. What is the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis? Quickly. And parallel to y-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Okay, one students, that is Rajanna and Amrita. Okay, Rajanna and Amrita, both you have to answer both the question, parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Got it? Very good. Okay. Now parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, same thing students. Parallel to x-axis, answer will be y equal to constant or y equal to b. Except constant, if you say that y equal to b, it will be same thing. Okay, y equal to b. Okay, and the line which is parallel to y-axis, that is x equal to constant. Or x equal to a. Okay, both are right. That parallel to x-axis y equal to constant and parallel to y-axis y x equal to constant. Now, so if I say a question, so first question, second question, that is MCQ. X plus 2 equal to 5, an equation x plus 2 equal to 5, it is parallel to x axis, y axis, not parallel to any axis, not parallel to any axis, and none of this. Which one is the correct answer? Which option is the correct answer? Tell me quickly. X plus 2 equal to 5, it is parallel to x axis, y axis, not parallel to any axis, and none of this, not. Who answered it? Amrita and Rajonna. Anyone else? Every questions, every MCQ what I am discussing in this class must note down, must watch that video, must watch the video after uploading. Okay, that will help you to get more marks in the term 1 exam. Okay. Now students, x plus 2 equal to 5, it means x equal to 3, 2, x equal to 3. Now x equal to 3, x equal to 3 means x equal to constant, x equal to constant. Now x equal to constant means x axis, it is parallel to x axis, y axis. Now x equal to constant means that is parallel to y axis, we have discussed already. So it is parallel to y axis. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, got it everyone? Any problem up to this? Any problem up to this? Okay, very good. Now one thing students, so it is second quadrant, in first quadrant and fourth quadrant, and must remember in my I want to discuss all the questions by chapter, that is when you will face that question paper, then if you attend my all classes, all revision classes, then you will think that all the question have discussed, you will find that time. Okay, so now get to the point, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. Now I have told you that it is the positive x axis, positive y axis, negative x axis, negative y. Any point which is lies in first quadrant, they should be both are plus, both are positive. In the second quadrant, they will be x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, x negative, y negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Okay, these are the sign convention of the points lie at the corner. So first quadrant, both are plus, x is plus and y is plus. Second quadrant, both x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. Fourth quadrant x is positive but y is negative. Okay, these are. Now tell me one question, just it is not MCQ. Minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma minus 2, that point lies in which quadrant? That point lies in which quadrant? Okay, very good, very easy question. Now an important MCQ, third MCQ. The point, listen it carefully, the point where x coordinate in which x coordinate equal to x coordinate equal to y coordinate, that point lies in first quadrant only, second quadrant only, third quadrant only, both first and third. Which one is the correct answer? The point in which x coordinate equal to y coordinate, that point lies in first quadrant only, second quadrant, third and fourth. Both 1 and 2, I have not given any option that both 1 and 2. The point in which x coordinate equal to y coordinate, that type of point lies in which quadrant? Maximum of you have answered 1 and 3. Okay. Now, before I say which one is right, those who are saying, those who have answered that third, which option 1 and 3 means? Fourth option. Option 4 is correct answer. Give some example. Give some example. For this, you decide that those type of points are lying in first quadrant and third quadrant. Give some example. Give some example for which you can say x coordinate equal to y coordinate. Give some example. Everybody is okay. Amrita is typing. Okay, Amrita, quickly answer, beta. Quickly answer. Answer it quickly. Very good. Very good. Only Amrita answer. Well done. Well done, Amrita. Okay, I am taking a point 1, 1. Both are same. That is lies on. Both are positive in first quadrant. And minus 1, minus 1. X coordinate and y coordinate, they are also same. X coordinate equal to y coordinate, and both are minus. They lies in third quadrant. They lies in third quadrant. So that answer 1 and 4, 1 and 3 quadrant. Okay, that type of points in which x coordinate equal to y coordinate lies either first quadrant or third quadrant. Got it, everyone? Any problem? You can take another example. that 2 comma 2 both are positive, first quadrant. 4 comma minus 4 comma minus 4, that is third quadrant. That's why they are right. They are lies in third quadrant. Got it, everyone? Any problem? Any problem? No one is answering. Okay. Now, next class I have also discussed that coordinate system. Some questions are today's question. I have discussed 4 or 3 MCQs in this class. Must watch the video after uploading in YouTube, and it will be better if you note down all the MCQs in your copy from that video. Okay, it will be better. And two videos will be uploaded. 2 videos will be uploaded, first and second. Both the videos you have to watch. Okay, thank you, and again Shubhija to all of you. Thank you, students.